Welcome to the How to Use Blue tutorial. Today, we'll delve into how Blue is able to keep track of the location of your personal belongings within your home. Additionally, we'll guide you through the process of working with Blue to locate misplaced objects. Blue is a system developed for the Stretch Home robot to assist older adults to find misplaced objects in houses. Our system can track objects inside houses by moving around important areas and taking pictures of what it sees. Once it finishes taking pictures, Blue can figure out what objects are in each image. This information is then used to fill up a database with when and where the objects were spotted. Now, let's explore how to work with Blue for locating misplaced items. To start a conversation with Blue, simply begin by saying "Hey Blue," similar to how you'd interact with voice assistants like Alexa or Siri. Then, wait for Blue to respond.
Hey Blue.
Hi, Tony.
Next, we can request assistance from Blue to locate a particular object. It's crucial to mention the specific keyword of the object. For instance, saying "Find my remote" is correct. If we were to say "Find my remote controller," Blue wouldn't comprehend our reference. Please note that our current version does not yet accommodate multiple keywords for a single object.
Help me find a remote.
Sure, please wait a moment. I'm searching through my database of photos to see if I can locate it for you. I found some photos of the remote. To help you locate it, I'll display the images on my screen.
Blue will try to locate the object you've asked for within its database. Upon finding matches, it will exhibit the images that feature the object on a graphical user interface. In this interface, you can utilize the purple buttons to navigate to the subsequent or preceding image as needed. This is crucial because you might have multiple cell phones, wallets, or remotes in your house. You need to assist Blue in selecting the one you're specifically looking for. If you identify your object in one of the displayed images, simply click the green button to make your selection.
You selected a photo. Say, "Take me there." If you want me to guide you, or say, "Tell me location." If you want to know where I took the picture.
After selecting an image, you can ask Blue to guide you to the location of the selected picture by saying "Take me there."
Take me there.
Alright, please follow me. Here is where I took the photo.
Alternatively, you can request Blue to provide the location of the selected picture by saying, "Tell me location."
Tell me location.
Alright, the object should be on the bedroom one.
Congratulations! You have reached the end of this tutorial. Thank you for listening.